Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Fired Up Friday. I guess day 2 for this. Yesterday I had a little, man, it was really coming down. So I ended up just bailing, went home. I actually did the burn yesterday at home. Used the Dominator, and also my Fatwood that he sent me. So thanks again, Dominic. Brother, appreciate that. And as you see, it's not raining, although I rain geared up because you never know. It's really overcast. I can deal with a little drizzle. So I want to shoot to this week's channel shout out. Alrighty, let's get to this week's channel shout out. Give these a nice stir. If you're wondering if your name's in here, it probably is most likely in here. I don't know, we'll do a double shout out today. We have Jackie Blanchard. Very sweet lady up there in Canada. She does great videos. I will link her channel, and the other person, if I can open it. Come on, hands, work. Is Denali down south. I think I already did a shout out for him, but hey, you know, whatever. Double shout out. So shout out for Jackie Blanchard and Denali down south. They both been uploading pretty consistently, and I like their channels. So give them a check. Links will be in the description. Alright, there was the drawing for this week's shout out. So check out Denali down south and also Jackie Blanchard. Yeah, and those links will be down below. And let's get to the burn, which I did yesterday. I am shooting this at home today because I went out to the park and, come on tripod, it was just really coming down. But oddly enough, even though it's 2 miles away, maybe, I come home, it's not even raining. I mean, look at this. Not even raining at all. But 2 miles that way, dumping. A weather tease. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to burn some Fatwood given to me by my brother from another mother, Dominic Minischetti. I'm going to be using the Dominator. I'm going to use the BPS-3 knife. I got the manger. As you saw, I already added some of the Fatwood that he sent me, the shavings. So I'm going to cut a little bit up as well. So, alright, there we go. Got my gloves here for safety. Man, I tell you what, that weather, what a crock. There we go. If you missed this video, I did a full video on this knife, so if you missed it, some sweet Fatwood, tell you what. Do some shavings as well. Seems a little easier to pull back on a knife to do shavings than it is push. It's probably good enough. See if I can move the manger over without sweet. See if I brought a little cutting board. Actually, I have a cutting board and I didn't think to use it. There we go. Alrighty. Before I can get started, I gotta scrape the protective coating off. So, can't see the view screen, so see those sparks. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see if we can do a one and done. One and done. Woo. Sweet. Yeah, that's some nice fatwood, brother. Some real nice fatwood. Look at it like that. Sweet. It's an awesome ferro rod. I'm very, very happy with it. Alright, what I wanted to do is answer a real quick question that I've received. Whoa, why am I setting the house on fire? It was a question, why am I not, I don't think I'll focus on the manger. You know, why am I not out camping? Why am I, at the park or out on a hike or something else like that? And the reason is because, for those of you who are new to the channel and aren't aware of this, but I've been working a lot of hours, so well, I'd rather see the fire personally. I've been working a lot of hours at work because we're short-handed right now, and I've been doing it since I think June. And I started doing it because they messaged me one day and said, "Hey, would you be willing to work at this site? About 49-minute drive south of you." And I was like, 49 minutes? They said, yeah, they're short, they need somebody. And I said, I looked at the weather, it was pouring down rain that Saturday anyway, and I said, you know what, sure, and I'll go do that. And yeah, that was 6 months ago, and I'm still doing it. In fact, today is Tuesday. Give you the exact date here in a second. The 26th. I worked the last weekend with no day off. I worked both Saturday and Sunday because my other coworker been working Saturdays and I've been working Sundays. I used to work Saturdays, but I would get up at 4 a.m., go to work, and I wouldn't get much sleep the night before. So when the when Saturday morning finally came around, man, I was just way too tired to do anything. Just couldn't get anything going. And yeah, just beat. So I switched it to Sunday, so Friday when I get off work I can kind of sleep in Saturday, which means I still get up at the same time, but I have a little bit more energy versus getting up Saturday morning. So, but then last Saturday they said, well, we need you on Saturday too, and I was like, so. Fortunately, I've been managing to keep videos coming out. You know, knock on wood. It's not the content that I'm, you know, it's not the ideal content, but you know, I mean, I can only do what I can do. You know, if I could tear myself in half and just be like, send one to work and send one out in the woods, yeah, I would do that, but it just doesn't work that way sometimes, you know. But yeah, I've been trying to do more giveaways on the channel. I've been doing that last few months, last 2 months, 3 months. I've been ramping up the giveaways, which is what I originally wanted to do with the channel. But you know, it's nice to being able to, you know, I'd be lying if I said I didn't like the checks. So, well, anyway, so needless to say, I love the Ferro Rod brother, Dominic. Nathan 4071 Ferro Rod with Dominic Minischetti. I think he said it was mahogany and antler. It's just gorgeous work. Love it. And no, it's not for sale. I don't care how much money you offer me. BPS 3 knife. Video will be in the description. Good little blade for $24. Pretty nice. Been pretty happy with it. Of course, the Fatwood. And that's some good stuff. So, anyway, I guess I rambled on enough. You know, Fire the Predators are supposed to be quick videos. So, as always, I always appreciate you watching. I appreciate all you guys very much for commenting and sticking with the channel, even though it's not the content that I would prefer. But, you know, I do the best I can with what I got. So, you know, I work the swing shift. So, in the mornings, I get out and I shoot my videos. And then I go to work in the evening, come home, I got like an hour and a half, and then I go right to bed. And then, you know, the weekends I work. So, you know, it is until they hire someone. I'm kind of stuck, but I also like to check. So, anyway, have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next one.